helping your toddler overcome stammering expert tips and techniques. If you've noticed your toddler stumbling or repeating words lately, you're not alone. Stammering, also known as stuttering, is surprisingly common in children around 2 to 3 years old. In fact, studies show that many toddlers go through periods of speech disfluency as their language skills rapidly develop. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, this can be a normal part of learning to communicate. Today, we'll dive into the science behind stammering, offer guidance on when to seek help, and provide expert-backed tips to support your child at home.
Shush.
By age 2, toddlers typically know around 50 words and start combining them to form simple sentences, as per developmental milestones noted by the American Academy of Pediatrics. As they approach 3, their vocabulary often soars into the hundreds of words. This rapid growth can create a temporary mismatch. Their brains are racing to form complex thoughts, but their young speech muscles can't always keep up. The American Speech-Language Hearing Association confirms that these periods of normal disfluency are quite common and usually resolve on their own. How do you know if what you're hearing is just a normal bump in the road or something that needs professional attention? According to guidelines from the American Speech-Language Hearing Association and the Mayo Clinic, here are a few signs that may indicate a need for evaluation by a speech-language pathologist. Consistent, frequent stammering repeating sounds or syllables more than a few times per word. Physical struggle or tension. Noticeable facial grimacing, blinking, or visible effort to push words out. Lasting more than 6 months. If the stammering doesn't show signs of improvement over time. Child avoidance or frustration. If your toddler becomes noticeably upset, avoid speaking or shows fear of talking. Most toddlers with normal disfluency remain cheerful communicators. If these warning signs appear, though, consider seeking guidance. Fortunately, there are science-based strategies you can use right at home to support your toddler's speech. Research published in Developmental Psychology and recommendations from the American Psychological Association suggest the following tips. Speak slowly and clearly. By modeling a calm, measured speaking pace, you help your child feel less rushed. According to ASHA, this can reduce overall speech pressure. Give your child time to finish. Resist the urge to complete their sentences. Let them find their words. Studies in the Journal of Speech, Language, and Hearing Research show that this fosters confidence and independence. Positive reinforcement. Encourage all attempts to communicate, not just fluently spoken words. Simple phrases like, "I love hearing your story," can boost self-esteem, as per APA recommendations on positive parenting practices. Create a relaxing environment. Keep background noise low, and avoid stressful time pressures. Pediatric research suggests that reducing stressors can ease speech difficulties. Keep conversations fun and interactive. Engage in activities like reading a favorite picture book together, naming animals, or playing I Spy. AAP guidelines note that low-pressure, enjoyable interactions build language skills naturally. While most early stammering resolves on its own, some children benefit from early intervention. If your toddler's speech patterns are causing concern, consider reaching out to a certified speech-language pathologist. ASHA recommends seeking an evaluation if the stammering persists beyond 6 months, intensifies, or starts to impact your child's willingness to communicate. Early support can help guide your toddler toward more fluent speech and reduce future anxiety around speaking. Remember, you're not alone on this journey, and your child's stammering does not define their potential. Patience, understanding, and supportive communication can make a world of difference. With the right environment and guidance, most toddlers move through this stage and continue to develop strong language skills. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with other parents who might find reassurance here. Together, we can help our little ones build the confidence they need to speak their minds.